What we are negotiating, what we are deciding is not about us. It is about the next generations.
We were talking about youth inclusion for a long time, and now it's high time to speak about meaningful youth inclusion.
Young people from around the world have lived experience of climate change impacts.
We don't even know if in 50 years we'll be able to live on our land.
When Super Typhoon struck, I felt terrified.
In the end, we are speaking of a global crisis.
We can't rule out we've crossed a tipping point.
In the climate negotiation, are they aware about the losses that we are living?
Our future depends on decisive and inclusive action.
And the time is now.
We are charged up to fight and bring justice to our world.
If it's our future that's being discussed, we need to be there.
We need to make sure that young people are involved in the negotiation room, but also in the negotiation teams.